What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you one of the best products you can be getting under $12. Yeah, $12? Yeah, $12? Come on, let's get to the video and I'm going to show you what best product you can be getting for your money's worth. Let's go. So I bought this product that I'm gonna show you right now in Ulta. When I bought it there, it actually came with the brush, and it's a facial cleanser brush. Comes with a kind of a spongy head attachment. So if you're very protective with your skin, this is gonna be a better solution. It came with two head attachments for your face brush, and these are the head brushes that come. So it comes with one, and the second one, and the one that it has already. With the fourth one, with this one, it's like a gentle sponge head. So I've been using it for almost 2 weeks, and I would really recommend it for you guys. For the bang and the buck you get, it's amazing. But I'm not gonna promise that you guys that are gonna get it probably $12. You guys have to ask when is this sale is gonna happen. So it was a sale, right? I forgot what the original price for these were, but this was around almost I think $8 because it was on 50% off. And these were $4, so equal to like probably 13. It was like about 12 was 57 cents about there, but it technically is 12 goddamn dollars. So I'm gonna show you guys what this beautiful baby could do after 2 weeks of using it. I really needed a new one. The old one that I had was fucking shit. It was really shit. I'm gonna show you what this will do. But before we go, I gotta show you something funny. My two restrooms have been literally busy for a while. They're still in there. I gotta get this video done, and so I'm gonna have to put this face brush in here, and I'm gonna clean my face with this shit. Pretty nasty, right? Obviously, when you're gonna start using the face brush, right, you're gonna have to get a cleanser, something that your preference is for your skin or whatever skin type you have. Personally, what I will always recommend to anyone, that's for every single skin type, and it's gonna be super gentle. It's not harsh for your skin. Same one I always love to use, the NFL Daily Facial Cleanser. I always recommend it for anyone that really wants to clear up the acne, because a lot of the Neutrogena acnes and shit like that, they're very harsh to your skin, and it just literally makes your acne worse. And I'm just gonna tell everyone, please don't buy those products. I recommend you to be using this, something that's gentle and it'll clean your face. Obviously, we're gonna get the head, and I'm gonna dip it into water, you know, because the other restrooms are busy. It looks pretty cool. Don't get me wrong, spilling a lot. All right, so now it's there. What I like to do is actually, obviously, you want to wet your neck and your entire face. And what I like to do is give one pump of this, rub it, and put it in my face. I like to prep my face with this before I actually go with the brush. So now that the brush is wet, we're going to add one pump to it. It's very gentle, so 2 pumps is very good. It's not harsh for your skin, that's why I recommend this for you guys. So now that it's there, right, we're actually gonna I don't have my headband, so I'm gonna show you and demonstrate how you use it, and I'm gonna show you how my skin feels using this. All right, so let's do this. The only thing about this is it's only one feature, and what this feature is it's only an on and off button. But obviously you're not gonna be getting absolutely amazing features, but the thing is, it's amazing. Like, the brushes are so soft and they actually clean your face. Personally, would not spend $100 on a fucking face brush. Personally, not me. This works and I'm perfect with it. So I'm gonna wet it a little bit more. What I like about this is very gentle with your skin. It's smooth, and it's not like brushing your face with something hard. The only thing I don't like is it's only one speed, and this speed is, I think it's good enough to clean your face. But sometimes I think you should just brush your face with this head for almost like 3 or 4 times a day, and for the other days, recommend you to use it so it won't be that harsh to your skin, because this is very extremely gentle. So for some of those days that your face feels a little bit harsh from this, recommend you be using that. Ooh, it feels so smooth. So you want to keep on cleaning it. Don't forget your neck, because a lot of people break out their neck as well. I used to break out in high school so much. I had cystic acne, those big ass pimples. They were deep inside your pores. There's humongous. I'm actually happy that after puberty, I don't get acne anymore. And if I do get like 1 or 2 pimples, it's not very dramatic. But before, I used to get like almost like, if I don't wash my face at night, I will wake up in the morning with like 5-6 pimples. My face was that horrible, man. And I do have acne scars. I don't know if you guys noticed in some of my videos, I have acne scars, and it sucks. I'm trying to get rid of them by doing a lot of techniques to my face, to lining up my skin, and taking care of it. Because before, even though I tried taking care of it, it wasn't doing no help. So now that I have the advantage that I'm not in the process of puberty, I can take advantage of that and just actually try to take care of my skin as much as I can. I love this because it just brushes your face, and you could tell the dirt in your face because it goes from white and it looks brown. I don't know if you guys can tell, but here, watch. I don't know if the camera could really catch it, but I can see that the brush is brown now. So just do this for about like 6 minutes or 5 minutes. You don't gotta go too much, because then you're gonna irritate your skin, and you don't want to do that. You just want to do it a minimum amount where it cleans your face enough. So I think honestly, these brushes are way more better and more effective than using your hands, because your hands are just gonna kind of rub against your skin. This is actually gonna go inside your pores, within your pores, and just like kind of rub the actual dirt and the dead skin in your face. You're better off buying a brush than actually doing it by hand, in which I learned the hard way, because most of the times when you wash your hands, not all the time the germs get off of your hands. So I recommend you to just buy a brush, and you're better off doing that. You can clean them after every single use. Plus, you got 2 extra heads for your face brush, so you ain't gotta worry about it. So every 3 months you're actually supposed to, in the box it actually says right here, let me zoom into the product. It says replace your brush head every 3 months. Obviously you're gonna replace it because you don't want to be using the same one for like fucking a year or so. That's gonna as much as you wash, it's still gonna be nasty. So now let me just actually rinse what I just scrubbed in my face, and I'm gonna moisturize my face, and I'm gonna show you how it felt and how a dramatic change it did to my face. So you know what, let me go wash it off. Now my face is actually fully cleaned, and dude, my face feels so smooth. It doesn't feel like, how can I say, like stuff is in my face. I don't feel heavy. I don't know if you guys have ever gotten that feeling that your face feels so heavy and sweaty. It dries in your skin and just feels heavy, and then when you clean it out, your face feels so smooth and so light. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just that feeling that you get. I'm gonna try to find it online. Let's see if you get it for a cheaper price. I'm not sure, and I'm gonna post it on down in the description below on ulta.com. And if you like it, you could go and purchase it. Go with the manager and just ask when are those sales gonna be, the 50% off for 2 of these products. You can get it for that price, and I really recommend you just to wait for that specific day. And it's amazing. It's just fucking amazing for the price that I got. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you guys actually purchase this face brush right here. And I'll catch you guys there. Just follow me on my Instagram. Go check out my new photos that I've been uploading, and I think they're really good. I take all the pictures by myself, so you know. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'll be coming up with a video next week. Alright guys, so just click on either one of these videos you want to watch next, or if you want, go to my actual videos and go check out all my videos, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys later. Dale.